Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit full menu on Wix. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to wix.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you'll be on your Wix dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the design site button at the top right of the screen and you'll be instantly navigated to your Wix website editor. Here you'll have to click on the pages and menu button, that is the third button, and you'll be navigated to your site pages and menu. Here, you'll have to click on add menu item button and choose what kind of menu you want to add. For example, I will add a link. So this is site pages and menu. Here, you will see all the site menu appearing on this screen just after site menu button. Now, we have home, shop, about and contact menu available. We also have a book online menu. Now, in order to add any menu, you'll have to click on the three-dotted icon button after that menu. Now, you can edit the settings of that menu by clicking on settings. Click on settings and you'll be able to enter what's this page name. You can also choose if you want to hide this page from menu. Choose hide from menu and it is not going to appear in the menu bar on your website. Now, in the advanced settings, you can manually control coaching for this page by toggling the switch on. Now, navigate to layout and choose whether you want a standard layout or a layout with no header and footer for your website. You can also navigate to permissions and choose who can access this page, whether it can be accessed by everyone, password holders, or site members for your web page. You can click on SEO basics and choose the SEO setup checklist. You can boost your site's SEO with the SEO setup checklist and go to your step-by-step plan. So click on go to SEO setup checklist and it is going to open another page, and here you can click on get started, name your business or brand, follow up with these steps and you'll have successfully done the SEO setup for your checklist on Wix. Now you can enter the tag title by clicking here, entering something else. You can enter the meta description of your page or navigate to advanced SEO and choose whether you want a structured data markup, robot meta tags, or additional tags for your website. You can also navigate to social share and click on preview on social, click on upload an image, and by doing that you can do the social share setting for your menu page. Now you can click on three-dotted icon just after another one, choose SEO basics. You can rename this menu, you can hide the page from menu, you can create a sub page for this menu, or simply delete this site menu. And by doing that, you can edit the menu on Wix. Now, you can simply navigate to the menu at the top of your screen, click on manage menu and click on the settings icon, click on set as advanced, choose set as advanced menu, and by doing this, you can edit these menus from just right here. You can also click on layout and choose the text alignment for your menu, choose the item direction in your menu, or show an item that says more. You can also click on design button and choose between horizontal menu, themed horizontal menu. You can also discover more menus here. Click on any one of these menus and that menu will be shown at your Wix website. So for example, if I choose this one, menu will be customized and it is going to look something like this. You can choose an animation for menu by clicking on the animation button, choosing an animation, and your menu's animation will be changed. You can click on customize and edit the duration or delay of this effect or the menu animation that we are seeing on the screen. You can also click on a stretch that will stretch your menu to full width. So that's a simple way you can edit full menu on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.